Ever wondered which plants can fight back? Carnivorous plants, that's who. They're not your typical greenery. These unique organisms have evolved fascinating adaptations to trap and digest unsuspecting insects and other small creatures. This unusual diet isn't just for show. It's a survival strategy, helping the plants thrive in environments where nutrients are in short supply. From the sticky tendrils of a sundew to the deceptive allure of a Venus flytrap, these intriguing flora are nature's little carnivores, a testament to the marvels of evolution. Let's delve deeper into the world of these fascinating plants. Imagine a garden where plants aren't just passive entities, but active hunters. Meet the meat eaters, Venus flytraps, pitcher plants, sundews, butterworts, and bladderworts. Each one is a marvel of evolution, armed with unique mechanisms to capture and consume their prey. The Venus flytrap, for instance, traps insects between its toothed leaves, while the pitcher plant lures them into a slippery, liquid-filled cavity from which there is no escape. Sundews use sticky dew-like glands to ensnare unsuspecting insects, while butterworts trap their prey with a sticky substance on their brightly colored leaves. Lastly, there's the bladderwort, a water-dwelling plant that uses underwater bladders to suck in tiny aquatic organisms. Each of these plants has developed its own unique and ingenious way to trap prey, showing a remarkable variation in the plant kingdom. So, what have we learned about these fantastic flesh-eating flora? We've delved into their unique adaptations, explored different types, and marveled at their ingenious trapping mechanisms. Carnivorous plants are a testament to nature's adaptability and ingenuity. They challenge our perception of plants as passive entities. Carnivorous plants fascinate and inspire, don't they? Today we've delved into their curious world, met some meat-eating marvels, and unearthed key takeaways about their unique existence. If you enjoyed our journey into the world of carnivorous plants, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more intriguing insights into the natural world. Until next time, keep exploring.